today we have an awesome iWatch cake! Yeah! Doesn't that look so cool? Just like an iWatch! Yeah! Let's get started. We're gonna start out with our modeling process. You know what that means? That means the details. Cut carefully. And while you're watching, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Tell us what your favorite app is on an iWatch. Or if you have one. Are you ready for a trivia question? How many colors are in the rainbow? Do you know? Stay to the end to find out. All right, let's make that iWatch. Right now, we're making the wristband. You know what part that is? That's the part that holds the watch on your wrist, kind of like a bracelet. We're gonna make these bands nice and big because our iWatch is super big. It's gonna be so cool. Just wait. Wow, look at all those colors. Can you name all the colors? I see green and red and yellow and wow, that is hot pink. How fun is this? It's gonna look so cool! All right, let's layer it on. And our yellow. This is a pretty watch with lots of colors. And red. Whoa, so colorful. Do you have colorful watches? Or maybe bracelets? Or any other colorful jewelry? Isn't it so fun? Make sure while you're watching, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Make sure you never miss an awesome cake. You never know what cake we're doing next. All right, now we've got our green. They look like green clouds. Fluffy. So fluffy. And a sunshine. A happy yellow sunshine. So cool. Keep cutting. Make sure you cut it so careful. Now I think we're gonna make the buttons on the side. You know, the dials on the side of the watch that control it? We're gonna make those buttons. It's gonna be so cool. All right, let's start up with our cake. You know how we do this. Our yummy cake and lots of creamy frosting. Num, 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 num. Spread that frosting on super nice and smooth. Now we're gonna roll out our dough. You know what this is for. Cake blanket. Spread it on super careful. And smooth it in super nice. Make it smooth. Do you make your bed nice and smooth in the morning, just like this cake? Your bed probably doesn't taste as yummy, huh? All right, smooth it in. Super nice. And cut the edges. So awesome! And the bands. Remember our trivia question? How many colors are in the rainbow? The answer is 7. Did you guess it right? Now we're gonna put the face on. Also remember, hit that subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, and leave us a comment. We want to make sure you always get to see new, awesome cake videos. We're putting on our clouds and our grassy hills and sunshine. Oh, so pretty. And our buttons. Can't forget the buttons.